హలో సతీష్ సార్.
yes sir.
సార్ అక్కడ సర్టిఫికెట్స్ పైన సిగ్నేచర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, ఆ సిగ్నేచర్స్ మనము ఎంఎస్ ఆఫీస్ లో పెట్టేసాం.
అవి మాన్యువల్ గా మనమే చేసుకోవాలి సార్. అవి
ఓకే సార్, థాంక్యూ.
ఆటో రావు అవి. ఓకే, just create one template for that. I have created here, right, like this certificate in Word you can create. Just I have inserted that certificate here. This is the Word file I will share if you want. Okay, this is a Word file.
Okay.
Within this Word file I have created. Okay, this is the Word file I have created, sir. After creating this Word file, I converted into JPG format. There I have just directly inserted that JPG here within our Google slide. Here I have inserted that JPG. If you want to edit, you can edit here. Or else, if you want to edit within this Google slide, you can edit here also. For my convenience, I have created this in the Word file. Okay. See here, just I have taken the full name, other identifier, right? Okay. After full name, you need to take the other identifier. This is the like one merge tag you need to mention here. If you want to take one more, for example, for one more, you need to take here. You can see in our merge tags here. You need to take other identifier too. Okay, here you can observe the first optional other identifier which follows the full name. Okay, after full name, we need to take this other identifier. Okay, if you want to one more, you can go for other identifier too. Like that, you can go. For example, I want to print date within my certificate, not the like static date. I want to enter some dynamic date. Means the present date I want to enter. Just go for this tag. Okay, just date. It will give this format like this. If you want the format like this, you can go for date too. Okay, then if you want to print some percentage of the participant, you can go for like percent. Just mention this one. Okay, here if you want to print some certificate ID, okay, you can go for it. Is automatically it will generate 7-digit serial number unique to this exam. Okay, it is unique to each certificate. Automatically certificate number will be generated. Randomly it will not randomly, serially. Okay, see, I will insert some tags within our certificate. We will show that one. See, in our Google slide.
Satish sir.
Yes sir, tell me.
You mentioned here the identifier, other identifier you mentioned. That is meaning is the first option, other identifier, which follows the full name. And when Google form lo aithe first ga full name rastam dan tarvata edaithe untundo that follow avutunda lekka elaga?
Ade sir, same dan tarvata edi unte adi
Google form lo manam edaithe first option pedtamo adi full name.
Yes.
Dan tarvata edi unte adi ostunda?
Avunu sir. Manam adi manam
akkada manam చెప్పండి
సార్. యాక్చువల్ ఏంటంటే మనం ఏదైతే ఫీల్డ్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నామో ఆ ఫీల్డ్ మెన్షన్ చేసుకోవడం బెటర్, ఎందుకంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండదు.
ఓకే, అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గూగుల్ ఫామ్ లో ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, దాని తర్వాత కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ రావచ్చు కాలేజ్ ప్లేస్ లో.
యాక్చువల్లీ సార్, దీస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ది ఐ హావ్ షోన్ హియర్, దీస్ ఓన్లీ వర్కింగ్.
మీరు పెట్టిన ఆర్డర్ ఒక్కసారి చూపిరా నాకు, గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఆర్డర్.
ఓకే,
ఒకసారి మీ గూగుల్ ఫామ్ మీరు డిజైన్ చేసిన ఫామ్ ఉందా చూపిరా? నాకు చూపించారు కదా.
First, email is by default. It will take the email. Then I have taken full name.
నేను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పార్టిసిపెంట్ అని పెడితే ఇక్కడ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పార్టిసిపెంట్ అని పెట్టాలా, ఫుల్ నేమ్ అని పెట్టాలా?
No. The full name is enough, sir.
నేను స్లైడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ జస్ట్ నేమ్ అని పెడతాను, లేదా నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పార్టిసిపెంట్ అని పెడతాను. అప్పుడు మన సర్టిఫికేట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసే దాంట్లో ఫుల్ నేమ్ అని పెట్టాలా, నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పార్టిసిపెంట్ అని పెట్టాలా?
Full name only, sir.
Full name only.
Here I have taken college, right? But there I have taken other identifier. First
adi full name tarvata follow
take as a full name. Second option it will take as a other identifier.
Okay.
By default, sir, it is by default.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మిగతా డేట్స్ కి సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కి ఫీల్డ్స్ తో సంబంధం లేదు కదా సార్?
లేదు అవి డిఫాల్ట్ గా వస్తాయి, అవి ఆటో జనరేటెడ్.
రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
See here you can take certificate number. I think you are clear, right? Just whatever we use the like two braces and name. Okay, that you need to mention here. I'm going to write what happened here. I think it will change. Okay, see here I'm going to insert date and certificate number also. Just maximizing this one. Here I'm going to insert like certificate number. Okay, let us take one text box. Within this, same two flower brackets. Here, certificate ID. If you have any confusion, just check these identifier. Here you can see certificate ID. Okay, you can change the color of this one also. For example, I want to print this one in a red color. Here you can see color. You can print that in a red color. Okay, if you want to change the text alignment, you can change the font size. Everything you can do. Here also same. Here I want to print the manual date. Okay, conducted on in a manual date. Just insert one text box. Okay, here I'm going to print date. Okay, date or date 2. Okay, for example, here I want to print score also, score of the participants, so like 50%, 60%, like that you will get, right? Okay, that score here you can print. Here for score you can see this tag like passing percent. Here it is. Here. Okay, now it is automatically it will save. Okay, I'm going to attempt one more time. For example, if you not click there, here within our like slide in settings, if you click here limit to one response, we can take one request from each email address. If you not click here, they can submit n number of. Okay, while creating your case, better to you have to click this one, then only you can take one request from each user. Okay, here I am not mentioning because I am going to submit one more. Same email address I'm taking. Okay, or like name, okay. College, PAC I'm giving. Okay. Passing percentage also based on your requirement, you can select that passing percent criteria. Okay, now it is submitted. Okay, you know this how to change this code also. Okay, it is forwarded. Then this time entering into my Gmail whether it is if I retrieved my certificate or not. Now you can see here it is forwarded. Okay, I will show whether our custom fields are enabled or not. Now you are able to see your certificate number. Okay, actually you need to drag some extra, the text box. Okay, name is inserted, college is also inserted, date also inserted. Okay, date, I think it is entered in US format. Maybe it is showing 18 only, right? That I need to check once again. Okay, here the passing percentage also here it will print. Okay, like that you can insert your like custom fields. See, for example, I don't want to retrieve after 100 like submissions or certificate submission, it is automatically going off, right? Okay, I want to show some like meaningful information to the user. Okay, how you can like if I close the, automatically it is going off. Okay, this is going off after 100 certificates. Okay, see, if I see this information, I am going to show to the user. Okay, present I am not able to take the responses, right? Here just mention your meaningful information. Okay, like presently we are not accepting like request, like that. You can give some useful information, so useful message to the user. Then they will get some idea. You just try to take the quiz next day, like that we can mention here. Where you need to mention this, how you can edit this one. Here you need to edit. Okay, after closing this one, previously it is like enable, just disable this one, edit your text here. Okay, or like thank you, like that any message you can take. Okay, I will show, you can observe here. If I refresh this page, not here, I think here. Here you can, it is edited, right? Here just give, if you are not able to take the responses, give a very good message to the like participants. They will get some idea. They won't call to us based on all your information.
Satish sir,
Yes sir.
ఒకసారి నాకు ఇందాక మీరు కొన్ని ప్రీ ఐడెంటిఫైర్స్ చూపించారు కదా, కొన్ని ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ సర్టిఫికేట్,
those I will forward to you,
ఎలా
sir.
వచ్చింది ఒకసారి ఫార్మాట్ చూపిరా. నాకు ఒక ఎక్సెల్ వచ్చింది మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ లాంటిది ఒకటి, ఒకసారి ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూపిరా అది నాకు,
This one.
ఎలా వెళ్ళాలి అక్కడికి. ఇందాక మీరు అదే ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది ఒకసారి నాకు చూపిరా, ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఇది? ఇది గూగుల్లో ఇలా కొట్టాలా?
certify em, just I will forward this to you, sir. Whatever I have
నాకు పెట్టండి సార్.
this sheet I will forward to our group, in our group.
Okay sir, thank you.
Okay, that's all. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or else just
I'll call you sir if you have any doubt. Definitely I'll call you.
One more thing, sir, I will share this video in our group. If you have any doubt, you can watch that. Anyhow, I have recorded this one. Okay, shall we leave?
Okay, thank you sir, thank you, please. Yeah, we can leave sir, I have a class also 10:30.
Okay, thanks for attending.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.